Hello friends, Running Kimono here. If you can make this happen ASAP, make it happen because this is a $3.59 moneymaker over at Walgreens with Garnier Fructis shampoo and IBOTTA. So when they're paying you like $3.59 to take this out of the store, that's when you put your code on and go and make it happen. So we're going to talk about this deal two different ways. The first is you're going to have to go to your IBOTTA app and make sure that this is an activated offer. As you can see, it says 24 hours left because a lot of shoppers are claiming this. So my theory is sometime today it's going to be completely gone, but if it's in your gallery of items, it still possibly could be there. And double, triple check when you're at the register too that it's still there. You don't want to buy something and then not get it. So if you had by chance purchased this shampoo earlier in the week and you did the whole like dollar or 50-cent Garnier Fructis, you can grab your receipt, even if it's a couple days old, and still submit it to IBOTTA to get this money back, and you'll get the freebie and the little money maker. You need a physical receipt though. So if you did it curbside and you don't have a receipt, you might be out of luck. But if you did it with, in store with the register reward, that's ideally photograph it right away to get your money. Alternatively, let's just jog through this deal very easily. You're going to go to the store today. Grab two of these. First off, activate that rebate on IBOTTA. That's rule number one. So 2 for $8, pretty straightforward. And the promotion for this is when you buy two, you're getting back a $4 register reward. And that right there is a deal of the week. And if you look at the tag, it expires on the 16th. But I would do it today because I just have a theory in my mind that the IBOTTA rebate is going to go very, very quickly. There's a digital coupon to go with this deal, which is a 3 off a 2. So please make sure you have it loaded for the biggest savings. Here it is. And so it's a pretty straightforward deal. 2 of the Fructis is going to be $8 on the nose. Subtracting this digital coupon, you're going to pay $5 or roll $5 in Walgreens cash or a register reward if you may have it. Then you're going to get back a $4 register reward. And then you're going to take a quick photo with the IBOTTA app, photograph your receipt, and you're going to get $5.49 for buying 2 from IBOTTA. Double, triple check the rebates in your gallery too when you're in the store because you don't want it to vanish. I would go right away, guys. It makes it free plus a $3.59 moneymaker, and it is okay to use a bit of Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but I would move on this very, very quickly because whenever there's this high value, it tends to go very quickly. People really want to get stuff on the cheap. Another thing I want to tell you guys about is the boosters started showing up last night and this morning. I got a 10 back when you spend 50, and this is for the 17th to the 24th, so next week. Definitely go to the top of your digital coupons folder of your Walgreens app and load it. And the final thing, I made a video yesterday about up to 90% off clearance over at Walgreens. So if you're headed there to get the Garnier shampoo, go pay for your stuff, photograph that receipt to IBOTTA, and then go back in the store and see what they might have because there's a lot of great items for Easter baskets, household cleaners, you name it, on clearance up to 90% off. A video you might want to check out. I will link it right here. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.